Welcome to SmartBuy, where we break down the best products with real specs, real performance, and real value so you can shop smarter every time. Today we're taking a close look at a powerful tool designed for electronics repair, soldering work, and precision PCB projects. The YIHUA 959D Digital Hot Air Rework Station. This station is built for technicians, hobbyists, and repair professionals who need accurate temperature control, strong airflow, and reliable performance for delicate electronic components. But the big question is this hot air rework station actually worth buying? What do the specs really mean when you're repairing electronics or working on circuit boards? And why are so many DIY technicians choosing this model for their workbench setups? By the way, I've added the latest deals and best prices for this product in the description below. Let's start with the most important specification for any hot air rework station: temperature control. The YIHUA 959D provides an adjustable temperature range from 212 degrees F to 932 degrees F, which is roughly 100 degrees C to 500 degrees C. This wide temperature range allows you to handle everything from delicate surface mount components to more demanding desoldering tasks. The station uses a digital PID temperature control system, which constantly monitors the heating element and adjusts power in real time to maintain stable temperatures. In practical terms, this means the station can hold a precise temperature during long repair sessions without large fluctuations that could damage sensitive electronics. Another standout feature is the 3 programmable memory presets. With these presets, you can save commonly used temperature and airflow settings. For example, one preset might be used for removing SMD resistors, another for reflowing IC chips, and another for heat-shrinking components. Instead of manually dialing in the settings each time, you can switch instantly between them with a single button. Now let's talk about airflow performance. The YIHUA 959D is equipped with a high-efficiency brushless fan system, designed to provide strong and consistent airflow while maintaining quiet operation. This airflow system allows the hot air to distribute evenly across the working area, which helps heat components uniformly and improves the efficiency of solder removal or reflow tasks. Airflow can be adjusted directly from the front control panel, giving users precise control depending on the type of component they are working on. If you're finding this helpful, hit the like button so it reaches more smart shoppers like you. Another key advantage of this rework station is its dual temperature display format. The digital screen allows users to switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius, making it convenient whether you're following repair guides, manufacturer specifications, or international electronic standards. The control panel itself features a brushed aluminum faceplate, which adds durability while giving the station a professional workshop appearance. The clear LED display makes it easy to monitor temperature and airflow settings during operation. Safety is also a major focus of this design. The YIHUA 959D includes an automatic cooling system that activates when the hot air handle is returned to its holder. This system gradually cools the heating element before powering down, which helps extend the lifespan of the internal components and protects the heating core from sudden temperature changes. The station also includes sleep mode functionality, which reduces heat output when the handle is idle. This feature improves energy efficiency and reduces wear on the heating element. In terms of build size, the station is compact enough for most workbenches while still offering strong performance for electronics repair. The lightweight design makes it easy to integrate into hobbyist workstations, repair shops, and small electronics labs. The hot air handle connects through a flexible heat-resistant cable and supports a variety of interchangeable nozzle attachments, allowing technicians to concentrate heat on specific components without affecting nearby parts. This level of precision is especially useful for working with SMD components, IC chips, smartphones, laptops, and modern PCB boards. When you combine 212 degrees F 932 degrees F, adjustable temperature control, digital PID stability, 3 programmable memory presets, high-efficiency airflow, dual F/degrees C display, and automatic cooling safety features, the YIHUA 959D becomes a versatile and reliable tool for electronics repair and soldering work. Whether you're removing chips, repairing circuit boards, or building custom electronics, this station gives you the control and precision needed for professional quality results. Thanks for watching SmartBuy. If this helped you make a smarter decision, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.